Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to this episode of CUP TV brought to you by Craftsuprint.com. In this episode we're going to be looking at a kit from Janice McFarlane and the CUP number is 893903_905. The kit is called Cosy Woodland Christmas Quick Cards. You get 6 sheets and a kit preview in the kit. You get a base card, 4 different toppers to decoupage and 1 sheet with 2 inserts on. So I'm going to run through everything that you get in the kit and then we shall make it. So you get 1 sheet with 2 insert panels on. Now these will mix or match with the decoupage toppers that's in the kit as well. So you also get a sheet of decoupage toppers with hedgehogs and squirrels on. You get decoupage topper with a cat and a dog and some mices on. And you get the card topper with the foxes on. All really cute. You get the card topper with the owls on. We're going to be making the one with the owls on. And then you get the base card. Now, this kit is a great kit because you've got variety and you can use it over and over again. All you need is the base card and pick out the toppers that you're going to use. So we're going to start by cutting out the base card. Before I did that, I actually scored along the score line on the card sheet. And that will give me the base card. So once I've scored along this line, and just before we fold it, I want to point out that Janice has included a handmade by label on the back of the card. So you'll be able to add your name and so the person you give it to will know that you've created it especially for them. So I've scored along the line on the card and I'm going to simply fold it and I'm going to use a bone folder to make sure that that is a nice sharp crease so that the card will stand up nicely. So that now becomes the front of our card. And then I can add one of the insert panels. Now I've chosen the blue insert panel. Obviously there's 2, so we've got the choice of the red or the blue. But I plumped for the blue. And I've got flat tape on the back of it. And I'm simply peeling off the back of the tape. And then we can add the insert into our card. And there. Press it down and then that is ready for your messages and it matches perfectly to the card front. Now on the card front I'm going to add the decoupage, and as we went through the sheets I mentioned that I've decided to use the owl decoupage. So I've cut out all the pieces from the decoupage sheet and I've added 3D foam on the back of them. And now I can just start adding them to the card. So I can pop it down. This is the base image and everything is built up on here. So our next layer is a smaller section. For anybody that's never done decoupage before, the base is always the largest section and then the next layer is cut away and it's just a smaller piece of the picture, so to speak. So we add that again with 3D foam. Now I've just added a little bit of glitter glue on the side of the owls, just a tiny touch. I also added some just on the snowflakes on the edge of the card as well. I don't know if that's picking it up, but it's just a tiny little bit to give it a little bit of a glimmer. So the next layer of decoupage is smaller again and it's just the poinsettia and the sentiment at the bottom. So again that was on 3D foam, and then the next section is smaller again and I've just got the 3D foam on the back. I've added some of the glitter in the centre of the poinsettia. So this is building up the image into lots of layers. Now I've got the sentiment as well, all I want for Christmas, and then the bottom sentiment is yoo-hoo. I really like that. and that's built up our card front into lots of layers. Stands up nicely, it'll look great on any mantelpiece, and it's just a gorgeous design with lots of elements from Janice. Now I'd like to remind you of the cup number. It's cup 893903_905. Please be sure to check it out and check out the other designs by Janice, and I'd just like to say thank you so much for watching, and we shall see you next time.